Hello, this is Doc Fleur, and here is your NMAT verbal ability question. So this type of problem is word analogy. And in word analogy, you must know the relationship of the first word with the second word. So comfort and affliction. So comfort is something that is given to relieve pain, suffering, or affliction. Therefore, the relationship of the two words is that comfort removes affliction. Therefore, we must know, what does salve remove? Salve is an ointment that removes injury, or the answer is wound. So comfort removes pain and suffering or affliction. Salve, an ointment that removes injury or wound. Comfort is to affliction, salve is to wound. Thank you.